Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to construct a 90-degree angle without using a protractor. I will use two methods to demonstrate how to create this angle. So, please watch the video till the end. Method 1. These are the procedures we will use to construct a 90-degree angle without a protractor. Method 2. These are the procedures we will use for this method. Now, let's move on to the demonstrations. 1. Begin by drawing a horizontal line AB with a length of 8 centimeters. You can use your own dimensions, but for this tutorial, I will use 8 centimeters. Measure 8 centimeters from point A to point B. 2. Use a compass. Let the pointed end be at point A and construct an arc to meet line AB at point C. Note that with the same radius each mark will give 60 degrees. 3. With the same radius, construct another arc. The place where this new arc meets the first one from point A is a new point. 4. Use the same radius as earlier and put it on the new point. Construct another arc that touches the one coming from point A. 5. Now, with care, bisect the arc that forms a 60 degrees angle into two halves. One half measures 30 degrees. Add this 30 degrees to the original 60 degrees. The result is a perfect 90 degrees angle. Draw a line from point A that passes through the intersection to obtain a 90-degree angle. You can use a protractor to measure what you have constructed, confirming whether it is truly a 90-degree angle. This will serve as confirmation that you have indeed constructed a 90-degree angle without using a protractor. Now for the second method. 1. Begin by drawing a horizontal line AB with a length of 8 centimeters. 2. Mark point O on the drawn line. 3. Using a compass, place the pointed part of the compass at point O and open it to a convenient radius. Construct a semicircle to intersect with the line AB at points P and K. 4. Bisect the semicircle to obtain a 90 degrees angle. You can also measure this angle to confirm its accuracy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you now understand how to construct a 90-degree angle without using a protractor. Please subscribe, like, and share this video and channel with your friends so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. If you have any topics you'd like me to cover in future video tutorials, please let me know. Goodbye.